Maya dahadlaw kaninyong tanan. Today we will present about the Higaonon tribe of Northern Mindanao. The word Higaonon means people of the mountains. From Higa to live, Guan, mountain, and Unon, people. They are known as peace-loving, respectful, and deeply spiritual people. In our presentation, we will show you how the Higaonon use verbal and non-verbal communication, how they show language and respect, and how they deal with intercultural issues today.
Maayad ha adlaw dato.
Mayad ha adlaw kaninyo, kamusta kamo?
Ayos lang kami dato. Salamat sa magbabayan.
This shows how greetings in some cultures combine words of respect with physical gestures like bowing or pag-ampo, a prayer like gestures, highlighting a deep sense of respect and tradition.
Maayad ha adlaw mga pa nanami.
Pagkaon na kamo.
Salamat.
Kaya ang pagkaon usa ka grasya sa magbabaya. Lambigit ta sa pagkahimasa sa uma og panimalay.
In Higaonon culture, respect is deeply ingrained in family values, where children are taught to communicate with politeness and humility. This emphasis on respectful language and gestures fosters strong relationships and a sense of community. By prioritizing respect, the Higaonon people preserve their cultural heritage and promote harmony in their interactions.
Dato adunay bisita gikan sa syudad.
Mayad halado na ako'y ginamang regalo isip respeto. Sa amo Higaonon dili mao ang paggamit hatag ang sa isa ka kamot kundi hatag sa duha ka kamot sa tinsahing o pinuoray. Pasaylo ako dato, wala rin ko papanaw sa siyudad, walang niya nga pamatasan. Wala po daw tang intention. Nasabtan ako pero among kultura gabantay sa batawan. Dawatat kini uban sa kong pagtawag kini.
Kung gihatag nini ang unang gamit sa duha ka kamot ug mapaubsan na kasing-kasing, gidawat na mo kini uban sa dumi.
Samong nga nadawat para sa among komunidad.
The scene shows how Juan, a visitor from the city, offered a gift with one hand, which was considered disrespectful in Higaonon culture. The dato explained the gift must be given with both hands and sincerity, reflecting their values of proper conduct and respect for tradition. By correcting his mistake and following the costume, Juan was warmly welcomed, showing the importance of respecting cultural practices to maintain harmony.
In our culture, it is very important to observe before acting. When visitors arrive, it is better to watch how things are done in the community so mistakes can be avoided.
That is true, and if you want not sure, it's better as politely and respectfully. Our people are always willing to share knowledge with those who want to learn. Showing interest in our costume is already a form of respect.
I have learned that admitting mistakes and showing humility does not bring shame but rather gives respect. By correcting my mistakes, I was accepted more warmly in your community.
That's right, Juan. If you show a sincere heart, even if you do things differently, the community will still welcome you.
True respect is not only seen in words, but also in action. Protecting our culture and tradition is what preserves peace and unity among us.
So here are the takeaways. First, observe. Second, ask if unsure. And third, show humility and respect. If we follow these steps with entering, offering cultures like Higaonon, we build understanding, trust, and peace.
The Higaonon tribe shows us the importance of verbal and non-verbal communication, where respect and humility guide every interaction. By understanding their traditions, we not only preserve culture, but also strengthen unity across differences.
Daghang salamat! Mayadha adlaw kaninyong tanan!